Alright folks, let's talk Turkey. Just when you thought the market was finding its footing, Washington throws a wrench in the works. On October 6, 2025, a US Senate report hit the wires, and it was a doozy. This wasn't some boring policy paper. No sir, a warning shot across the bow of corporate America. The report laid it out in no uncertain terms. Artificial intelligence, the same tech we've been cheering on, could wipe out millions of jobs faster than we can say pink slip. Customer service reps, data analysts, a huge swath of the white-collar workforce. This isn't science fiction, it's a clear and present danger to the economy as we know it. Why does this matter? Because jobs are the engine of the economy. When people have jobs, they have money. They buy cars, houses, iPhones, spending drives profits, and send stocks to the moon. When that report hit the news feeds, the reaction on Wall Street wasn't just negative, it was a full-blown, no-holds-barred panic sell-off, like someone yelled, "Fire" in a crowded theater. The opening bell rang, and it was a sea of red, especially in the tech-heavy NASDAQ. Traders didn't wait for fine print or talking heads. If AI drives economic chaos, the companies building it are ground zero. Tech, once the market's darling, became radioactive overnight. Names at all-time highs plunged. Double-digit drops hit household brands. Markets are forward-looking. Tomorrow, next year, 5 years from now. The report cast a giant shadow over future earnings. Recession fears mean tech budget cuts, lower sales, weaker profits. Algos scan for Senate. Layoffs. AI. The perfect storm triggers sells. Selling amplified, a modest dip turned into a rout. Volatility exploded. The VIX spiked. 1 minute they're feeling like a genius, their tech portfolio is soaring, every pundit says AI is the future, plans get bigger, vacations, new cars. The next minute, wham, the government warns the economy could buckle. What do they feel? Raw, stomach-churning fear. Fear their savings could evaporate. Herd mentality kicks in, neighbors, cousins, message boards, standing ground gets hard. What if they know something I don't? Doubt is poison, it makes you sell bottoms and buy tops. This report injected poison into the market's veins. People stopped thinking long-term. Pros weren't immune. Angry client calls. They sell to cut risk, sell to meet redemptions. Sell because they're scared. A correction becomes a crash. Fear cascades everywhere. When the panic hit, it didn't discriminate. It took down the good, the bad, and the ugly. Let's name some names. NVIDIA, the undisputed king of AI. Their chips are the shovels in the AI gold rush. The stock was a rocket ship, then it got hammered. Who buys multi-thousand-dollar GPUs in a downturn? From selling shovels to selling Titanic tickets, priced for perfection, this was imperfection. Microsoft, OpenAI, Alphabet, AI in every product once looked unbeatable, now seen as enabling job loss. Imagine new taxes on AI users, or mandates to slow development. That political risk wasn't priced, investors sold. Apple wasn't spared. Fewer jobs, fewer iPhones, fewer upgrades. Accenture helps firms adopt tech. What if clients use AI instead? No company is an island. One shock can swamp everyone. Fear went universal. So, what does this mean for the future? Is it time to sell everything and hide cash under the mattress? Hold your horses. Let's not get carried away. This first move is fear, not fundamentals. Short term, expect extreme volatility. AI-linked tech is now a battleground. Bulls see a buying opportunity. Bears see a sector-wide repricing. Truth is likely in the middle. Wild swings ahead. Long term, this is a wake-up call. We've touted upside, now we must face the downside. The report forces a needed conversation and could produce smarter regulation, not to stifle innovation, but to manage transition. Think retraining programs and a stronger safety net, plus incentives for using AI to augment people. Get it right, and growth can be more durable. But it adds a new macro variable, profits up while unemployment rises. It complicates everything for policymakers. Winners will prove they create more value and jobs than they destroy.